Are you feeling overwhelmed by the weight of your student loan debt? Do you find yourself constantly worrying about the ever-increasing interest rates and the seemingly never-ending payments? If so, you're not alone. Student loan debt has become a significant burden for millions of Americans, and finding a way to pay it off can feel like an uphill battle. But fear not. In this video, we'll explore some practical tips and strategies to help you navigate the student loan debt maze and pay off your loans faster, so you can finally achieve financial freedom. Paying off student loans can be a daunting task, especially when you're just starting in your career or trying to juggle multiple financial obligations. The weight of that debt can feel like a heavy anchor, holding you back from achieving your dreams and goals. However, with the right mindset, discipline, and approach, you can conquer your student loan debt and take control of your financial future. The power of a plan. When it comes to paying off debt, failing to plan is planning to fail. That's why step 1 is adopting a militant, disciplined approach to your finances through budgeting. I know, budgeting sounds about as fun as a root canal. But trust me, taking control of where your hard-earned money is going each month is the first step to financial freedom. By tracking your income and expenses, you can spot those sneaky budget leaks where money is slipping through the cracks. Those daily coffee runs, impulse online shopping sprees, and too many nights eating out can add up quickly. Once you identify the culprits, you can cut back and reallocate those funds directly towards your student loans. But we're not just stopping at budgeting. You need a full-blown debt payoff attack plan. Two popular strategies are the debt snowball, where you pay off the smallest balances first for quick wins, or the debt avalanche, which targets high-interest loans first to save money over time. Whichever route you choose, having a clear roadmap will keep you motivated and on track to demolish your debt once and for all. Imagine the euphoric feeling of making that final student loan payment and being 100% debt-free. No more watching chunk after chunk of your paycheck disappear into a black hole. Instead, you'll have complete control over your finances and the ability to pour money into your passions, dreams, and long-term goals. This is the light at the end of the tunnel, and with discipline, it can be yours. The refi revelation. Here's a dirty little secret. Those student loan interest rates are eating away at your potential for faster repayment. Every dollar you shell out in interest is one less dollar going towards the actual principal balance you owe. Talk about a raw deal. But what if I told you there's a way to potentially slash those interest rates and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket? It's called refinancing, and it could be a total game changer in your quest to demolish debt. Now, I know what you're thinking. Refinancing? Sounds complicated. But innovative companies like Juno are taking the hassle out of the process. They negotiate with lenders on your behalf to score you the lowest possible rates at no cost to you. That's right. Juno's services are completely free for borrowers. They make their money through those lender partnerships instead of charging you outrageous fees. With a lower interest rate from refinancing, you could be saving yourself thousands over the life of your loans. That's money that can be redirected right back into accelerating your payoff plan. Imagine how much faster you could become debt-free by slashing those interest costs. The refi revelation is real, folks. By exploring this option, you're giving yourself a powerful advantage in your fight against student debt. Don't let those high interest rates hold you back any longer. Finding your tribe. Paying off debt can feel like the loneliest journey sometimes. You might feel like the only one struggling while your friends are jet-setting off on exotic vacations or buying their dream homes. The isolation and stress can be overwhelming. But we are here to tell you that you're not alone in this fight. There's an entire community of debt slayers out there who are locked and loaded to support you every step of the way. These are your people. They know exactly what you're going through. Whether it's an online forum, a local meetup group, or just surrounding yourself with like-minded friends, finding your tribe can provide an invaluable source of motivation and accountability. A glimpse into the lives of others on this same path can be so encouraging and reassuring. These are the people who will celebrate your wins with you, no matter how small. The ones who will lend an understanding ear when you're feeling frustrated or discouraged. And the cheerleaders who will remind you why you started this journey in the first place when you need it most. Trust me, having a supportive squad in your corner can make all the difference in helping you stay the course. Their encouragement and shared experiences will fill your tank when you're running on fumes. After all, paying off debt is a marathon, not a sprint. You're going to need all the reinforcements you can get. The hustle is real. For some of you debt slayers out there, the budget trimming, refinancing, and words of encouragement just won't be enough to truly turbocharge your payoff plan. When you've cut out all the excess and streamlined your lifestyle to the bone, it's time to consider ways to increase your income through the power of hustling. Every dollar you can funnel directly into your debt repayment is one step closer to your financial freedom. And who knows, maybe that side hustle will turn into your next big career move or business venture. For those who would rather keep their hustling more traditional, explore opportunities for overtime or look into higher paying roles in your current field. A salary boost could be just the ticket to accelerating your debt payoff without burning yourself out with a second job. The long game mindset. Last but certainly not least, the key to long-term debt demolition success is developing unwavering patience and perseverance. I'll be the first to admit it. Paying off a staggering amount of student loans can feel like an endless slog sometimes. The journey is arduous, and the finish line may not even be in sight yet. But every payment made, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Those little wins will start compounding into major milestones before you know it. So celebrate those small victories along the way, like interest charges decreasing or accounts being paid off entirely. Envision your debt-free future and let that motivate you through the tough times. Keep reminding yourself why you embarked on this mission and how liberating it will feel to shake off those loan balances for good. Financial freedom is right around the corner if you refuse to lose sight of the bigger picture. There you have it, your official plan for paying off student loans at light speed. From budgeting like a pro and optimizing payoff strategies to slashing interest costs and hustling for more income, you're now fully armed to start chipping away at those pesky loan balances faster than ever before. But remember, this process demands patience, perseverance, and a whole lot of determination. It won't happen overnight, but surround yourself with a supportive squad, and you'll find the motivation to keep marching towards your debt-free future. If you found value in these tips, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hard-hitting personal finance advice. Drop a comment down below to share your own student debt story or payoff strategies. We're all in this together. The path to demolishing your student debt has been laid out. Now it's up to you to lace up those boots and start marching. No more letting those loans drag you down. It's time to take control of your financial destiny once and for all. I'll be cheering you on every step of the way.